Coming to you with my September favorites. I love doing these favorites videos. My girl Erin at my Level 10 Life did one like months ago that I saw, and I was like, I'm totally gonna do that. How fun. So let's get right into it. Let me show you what my September favorites were. It's kind of a hodgepodge stuff across the board. It's not all food at all. All right, let's go. The first thing is a cleaning product. I have been really enjoying this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Apple Cider Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Usually my go-to is my doTERRA On Guard. I dilute it in water, and that is my cleaner of choice. It is definitely my all-time favorite, but I've decided to try this apple cider scent because I was feeling it fall, and I love this stuff. It's awesome. So I will totally be using this all fall. I also have the dish soap. Love it. Next is a toothpaste. I've been using this for years. This is On Guard by doTERRA. It is a natural whitening toothpaste. It has kind of like the On Guard has a little bit of like a cinnamony flavor, and I just love it. It is so awesome, and the ingredients are such high quality. I totally recommend this. Next is also from doTERRA. This is my vitamins, my everyday vitamins. Getting ready for my vertical sleeve gastrectomy surgery, and I want to be on top of my vitamins for post-op, and I've been doing vitamins for a few months now, and I've landed on these as my go-to, what I'm going to stick with. So there is one that, excuse me, this is like the fish oil type one. It's called Omega Essential Oil Omega Complex, and it has some vitamin D, some vitamin A, some vitamin E. Then it's got the DHA and EPAs, ALA, like just all kinds of good oils that are, hold on, I'm trying to see if there's anything else I want to mention. And then it has, you know, it has, what do I want to say? Oh, and then it also has like an essential oil blend. So it is food grade, and I don't know why I said that. Anyway, so this is the Omega Complex. And then this one is called Alpha CRS Cellular Vitality, and this is for like literally your cellular health, like your cellular level health, which is so important, and especially for us that are having this VSG surgery, this is going to be so important. It has L-carnitine, it has alpha lipoic acid, it has coenzyme Q10 and ginkgo biloba, and then it also has a tummy tamer blend in this, which is going to be so good for us post VSG. Some peppermint leaf, some ginger, and some caraway seed extract. So I'm super excited to have this in my arsenal. And then this is just like your multivitamin. It's called Microplex VMZ Food Nutrient Complex, and it has all your multivitamins. So A, C, D, E, K, B, all your B complex, some calcium, some iron, some iodine, magnesium, zinc, selenium, manganese, copper, chromium. So all of, you know, all of the multivitamins needs that we have. And then it also has a proprietary whole food blend. So it has some kale and some dandelion leaf and some kelp and broccoli and Brussels sprout. Like, it's a powdered version of all these things. So it gives you that like healthy extra kick, especially when we're not going to be able to be having all of these veggies right after surgery with VSG. And then even down the road, the amount that we have of food at a time is smaller. Plus, you know, in general, the soil's depleted and everything. So this is going to be another great tool to have in your arsenal. And then it also has an enzyme blend, again, helping us break down our foods post VSG is going to be so important. So it's got all the protease, the lactase, lipase, amylase, the things to help break down our food. So, oh, I'm dropping it, sorry. And then it also has the tummy blender extract in it. So y'all, I don't think I can find a better quality vitamins. I've been using doTERRA products for years and years, and I could just go on and on and on. Essential oils are just such a tool to have in your arsenal for health, maintaining healthy life. And I could just go on. I'll probably share more about those at some point. But these vitamins, I can't recommend them enough. And I've talked to people that have had the VSG surgery that have used these, and their levels have been perfect. So big plug for these. All right, next is a new deodorant that I'm using. I have shared Kapari stuff in previous months of favorites. This is a coconut oil based deodorant, and it doesn't have any aluminum, and it's non-GMO. It is, technically it would be vegan, I guess, but it's not like you're eating it. I wish y'all could smell this. It smells phenomenal. And it's in this cute little bottle. I think it was like $9. It glides on super, super nice. And it smells heavenly. I love wearing this stuff. It smells so freaking good. So I had to share that. Some skincare is what I'm going to talk about next. Let's see if I can pull this up. This is by Drunk Elephant. So I love Drunk Elephant everything. I have like a ton of their skincare, but I was just going to talk about two specific ones today. First, look at this packaging. It's so cute. And then when you twist the top, it just pops right up like that. So it's super portable too, which I love. So this is the vitamin C day cream. I freaking love this stuff. If you have any kind of texture to your skin, I've previously had lots of acne issues in my life, so I definitely have some texture to my skin. I have some discoloration from that said acne. So this, I'm just gonna read it, but it has pure L-ascorbic acid and is best when used fresh, so use immediately. So you don't want to buy this ahead of time, because once you open it, you need to go through it, because it's just such a good high quality vitamin C. So, but let me read about it. It's a revolutionary vitamin C serum packed with powerful antioxidant complex of L-ascorbic and ferulic acids, plus chronopeptides that mimic the benefit of vitamin D to reveal brighter, firmer, more even complexion. And y'all, since I've been using it, it says the results are noticeably diminished. The result is a noticeably diminished appearance of UV photo damage and aging, and it really is. Like, my face is looking so much smoother, so much better without makeup. Like, I've been using this for over a month, probably closer to 2 months now, and I'm sold. I love all of their products, but I think the combination of these two that I'm sharing is just awesome. Vitamin C is, it helps firm and brighten. So yes, good stuff. I highly recommend it. It's not cheap, but skincare is worth it in my opinion. And then this is the one you use at night. This is the night serum. And again, it is for, it's a high-tech AHA, BHA gel that resurfaces dull, congested skin by gently lifting away dead skin cells, dramatically improving the appearance of skin tone, texture, fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. And again, I think the combination of this stuff is just making my skin so much better, y'all. So much better. I also use their eye creams. Maybe I'll share those next time. I'm still not completely sure if their eye cream is what I'll end up landing on, but these two are going to be in my arsenal for a very long time, I think. All right, what's next? This is my new favorite cup. It is kind of a few parts, but it's this ball jar. It's the asparagus size ball jars, and then I bought these little things to go over it so it won't sweat on anything, and it's also just easier to grip since this is glass. Love it. I bought the plastic lid and straw, and this is what I'm drinking my water out of, my Zip Fizz flavored water, my plain water, just drinking a bunch of these every day. This is my new favorite. Really, really loving these. And then the next two things are kind of food related. I'm so into the pumpkin pie spice, y'all, and Penzeys is where I order most of my spices. This is pumpkin pie spice from Penzeys, and it is such a better quality than the normal one that you buy just at the grocery store. I have both, and this just is leaps and bounds better. It's so good. I love this stuff. Put it in my coffee. I've been baking. Love it. And then the last thing, which I'm guessing most of y'all probably have had, but these wisps are from Costco, and it's Parmesan cheese crisp basically. There's not a lot of crunch on keto, and this gives me that crunchy, chippy type thing. You get, for 23 of them, there's 150 calories, 1 carb for 23. Oh, phone is ringing, hold on. Okay, so I like these kind of at night sometimes, or just when I'm feeling a chip. Also love these as a crouton replacement in salads. They are so good, and you get quite a bit per serving. So I could probably eat way too many servings of these though, so I do have to be a little bit careful, but I love these. Alright, so that's it for my September favorites, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you maybe saw something new to try. If you try something, share it with me. Tell me down below, or tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is time_to_shrink_Erica. So that's it. I really enjoy doing these. I have a lot of fun with them. I have fun watching everybody else that does these kind of videos. So I hope you found this enjoyable. Until next month. If you enjoyed this also, I would love you to consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed, and ring that notification bell and give it a thumbs up. Those thumbs up are really important.